Makeup for blue-green eyes. I know what you're thinking, my eyes are pitch black. Let's change that. Popping in my Solotica Hidrocor Rio Ipanema. Whoa, look at the difference. If you look at blue or green on the color wheel and you look at the colors opposite of that, you're gonna see oranges and reds. You're not gonna wanna go with a straight up orange on the eye, so opt for a brown with a warm orange undertone. These shades in the Makeup by Mario palette would be great. If you wanna keep it extremely simple, the Glossier Teak palette would be magnificent. Yeah, this brown has a warm orange undertone. Tossing this shade in the crease. If you wanna deepen that up, you can go in with a warmer, more chocolate brown. See how these have a more warm red undertone versus these browns? Either of these or these would be perfect. Tapping that at the base of the lash line and flicking it out. Look at the difference that alone makes. It's already grabbing so much more attention. If you do want to add some extra sparkle or drama, this orangey gold in that Glossier palette would be perfect. If you want something more subtle, you can go in with a warm face highlight. Give Beauty one would be perfect, or even this Milani one. See how it has that warm golden undertone? Taking the Milani 04 Glow Baked Bronze, tapping that all over the eyelid. Stunning. For those of you who like drama, I'll show you how this shade looks. Tapping that in the center. If you have blue or green eyes and you don't own MAC Costa Riche eye kohl, what are you doing with your life? This will make your eyes beam from a mile away without anything else on them. Tight lining my top waterline and smoking that out at the top lash line. It is the most perfect chocolate brown eye kohl you will ever see in your entire life. Adding some mascara and voila, look how much more striking this eye is versus this eye. It's insane. Crazy what a little color theory will do to the eyes. Like and follow for more makeup TikToks.